So we're going to start with the bream dish. First of all, we're going to seal the bream on the plancha, then we're going to cook the garnish just next door to it, and then bring the dish together in about 4 or 5 minutes. With this dish, essentially it typifies exactly how this kitchen operates, how we work as a restaurant. In this pan, we're just going to add a little ladle of chicken stock. Not too much. Our cocoa beans. And a little touch of olive oil. So the bream fillet is going to go skin side down, straight onto the plancha again. You don't need to, no flour. You can see naturally, as all fish does, it curves, it curls up. The one thing about the Adventys plancha and all their products is they are so simple. I mean, it's, you know, you can teach anyone to use it. But we'll just let that relax. In a minute or so's time, it will just drop down. It's interesting, and cooking, as I say, cooking it this way, where it is quite gentle, you can see it, how the actual colour of the fish starts to change. So we just add some thyme. And obviously the wonderful thing about induction, here we are in a kitchen environment, but I've hand next to a boiling pan of liquid, and you can literally hold your hand here, and there is no heat, no issues with burning yourself. The biggest thing overall is just so little heat actually, you know, given off, so it keeps the kitchen at a stable temperature. You're not standing there sweating buckets. And now we're just going to steam open the clams in with the beans, the thyme and a little bit of stock. So now we're about 1.5 minutes away from the fish being finished, so I'm now going to add the gem lettuce. Cut side down, we're just going to caramelise that very, very gently. As long as there's a film of oil that allows whatever you're cooking just to have a contact, there's a transfer of heat, and that's all you need. Little caramelised gem. See, the clams have started to open. So now we've got a little bit of heat through these girolles. So just a little bit of salt. Toss those in. Just going to fill our little revol dish with the beans. And there we go, we've got gilt-edged bream with cocoa beans, girolles and clams.